Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Canva video editing tutorial for jewelry brands. So first things first, all you have to do is to create an account on Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. All you have to do is go to canva.com, sign up, and then tap on create a design. So since we'll be doing presentation here, you just have to tap on create a design and then look for presentation. So aside from presentation, you can also create your logo, you can create here like profile or whatsoever. There are a lot of things that you can do inside Canva. So let's move on to presentation. And then on the left side, you will see here designs, elements, and so on. To look for jewelry template, you just have to simply go to designs, type jewelry, press enter, and you will see here tons of templates for jewelry template. And if you want to create a presentation or video for your brand or for your store, company for jewelry, all you have to do is to scroll down and then look for the specific jewelry template that you want to use. Take note, I strongly suggest that you upgrade your Canva into Pro to see or unlock more templates. So you can choose or apply all the pages or select at least one, two, three, four, five, depends on you. So I will be selecting at least four pages for my presentation. So this is what it looks like. Now, before we proceed with our jewelry presentation video in Canva, I also suggest if you don't have any ideas or names for your jewelry brand or like just say jewelry company name or any ideas for jewelry, you can ask ChatGPT for help. You just have to go to ChatGPT and ask for jewelry brand name list, something like that, or whatever you want to ask right here. ChatGPT is for free. All you have to do is to create an account and then ask anything. ChatGPT will show you a list of jewelry brand names, and all you have to do is to select whatever you want. So let's just see. You can choose from luxury, and elegant or minimalist and modern jewelry names. So you just have to select what you want, copy, and then paste it to your Canva page. So let's just look for something here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to paste it right here for the introduction, but I'm going to go first to the first page where I'm going to show the people the name of my product. So I'm going to tap on the first page, and then here I'm going to simply add the image of my product, or let me change first the introduction, or let's just say I'm going to change the name. So I'm going to add the name right here above, and then I will just resize or adjust. And I'm going to add a little slogan of my company or my brand. I'm going to ask ChatGPT again for that. So you can just basically ask ChatGPT for a little short description, or let's just say slogan of your company or your brand, and then copy paste it right here. So basically that's it. Here in Canva, you can change the font style, you can change the font size, and even the font color. Everything is up to you. All you have to do is to just basically click that specific object or element and then change the color or the size of the font right here. So I have this, so I'm going to add the photo now. In order for you to add a photo, tap on the upload file, and then drag the photo right here. You can resize, change position, everything is up to you. Now you can change the color, I mean the background color. You can change the font color. You can delete unnecessary file right here. And basically that's it. You can just basically edit this. You can add effects and so on. So this is what it looks like for the first page of your jewelry brand presentation. Now you can add again another page, or you can select from other template, or we can use the same template that we have selected earlier. So here I have added my first photo or image of my jewelry. For the second, you can ask a short introduction from ChatGPT, or you can create your own about your jewelry brand. And then same thing, you just have to drag your photo, your image, and then you can delete unnecessary element here. So here I'm going to ask a little description for my jewelry product. So I'm going to copy and then paste it right here. For introduction, I can ask again ChatGPT. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate a small description for your brand and then paste it right here. Add more elements, add more photos, resize, change font style, font color, background color, and so on. So everything is up to you. Now this is what it looks like. And then now I'm going to add more photos right here. So I will go to upload and then drag my other jewelry images. Again, you can add effects. You can even add animation to your images. Everything is up to you. Now, for the last page, I'm going to drag again an image photo. I'm going to add a little description of my brand, jewelry brand. And then after that, I can delete some element that is or that are unnecessary. And then change font style, font size, background color, and so on. Now, once you're done with everything here, what you're going to do is to review and see if it's okay. You can add animation, you can animate, and you can just basically change position. Everything is up to you. Once done, tap on the share icon and then make sure that this one is MP4 and then wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the result right away. So basically, this is the easiest way for Canva video editing tutorial for jewelry brands. And I know that you can do better than this. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.